Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute hat. I use 6mm hook and 6mm yarn. This yarn suitable for 5 and 6mm hook. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot. Make chains 1, 2, 3 chains. Go to first chain. Insert your hook into first chain. Take this yarn like this. Pull up yarn. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Pull up yarn. Pull through 2 yarns together. Mark these chains, first chains. We made 2 single crochet, high tail of yarn under a stitch, go to this chain, pull up yarn, pull through 3, 4, 5, 6. We made 6 single crochet in here. Insert your hook into first stitch. Mark a stitch. I show we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches. Go to this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns. Mark first stitch in second round. Go to next stitch. Pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through. Make 2 single crochet. Pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Single crochet in second round. We have 6 stitch, 12 stitches. Go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet in third round. Go to next stitch, 1, go to same stitch, 2, go to next stitch, make 1, go to next stitch, 1, 2, in next stitch, 1, and continue like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and complete this round. I make this stitch in this round. I have 18 stitches in total. Go to mark a stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, 1 single crochet. You can mark these stitches. Show first stitch. In here we make 1, 2 in next stitch, 1 in next stitch, 1 in here, 1, 2, and repeat like this for this round. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, and complete. In this round I have 24 stitches. Go to first stitch, 1 in next stitch, 1 in next stitch, 1 single crochet 3 times. Go to next stitch, make 1, 2, and continue like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Repeat for this row. I have 30 stitches in this row. Continue. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochet in here, increase a stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 2, 1, go to same stitch, 2, and continue like this. 4 stitch, 2 stitch, 4 stitch, 2 stitch for this row. We have 36 stitches in this row. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to this stitch, make 1, 2, and continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 stitches, 5 single crochet, 2 stitches, and repeat. I made 42 stitches in this round. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to this stitch, 1, 2, and repeat. 6 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 6 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Complete this round. I made this stitch. I have 48 stitches in this row. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 single crochet, 1, 2, 7 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 7, 2, 7, and repeat. In this row make 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this stitch 1, 2, and repeat. 8 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 8, 2. I made this stitch. Now we have 64 stitches in this round. I show 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 56, 64. 15 centimeters in here. If you want to make larger than this size, you can continue and make in here we have 8 stitches. You can make 10, 11, 12 and repeat like this, make larger than this part. In here make 1 single crochet in each stitch like this. Make more rows. One single crochet in each stitch and repeat. I made more rows. I show. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 section in here. So I have 20 centimeters. This hat suitable for I show. We have 55 suitable for 54, 55, 56 head round. In here go to next stitch, slip stitch, make a slip stitch, make a slip stitch. We make 4 slip stitch, make a chain, turn the work, continue from here, yarn over, go to first stitch, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, yarn over, and repeat, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns. I show. Continue for this row. Go to last stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, go to first stitch, a slip stitch. Hide this yarn under stitches.